Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this view means that we are going to be doing an updated perfume collection. I do this every year. I love perfume so much. I collect it. But what's different about this year is my collection has dwindled down a little bit. I'm really trying to hone into my favorite scents while still trying some out. So I have been putting some in my project pan the past year and a half, 2 years, and I've gotten rid of some. So I'm really trying to curate my perfect collection. So there's gonna be a little bit less than all the other ones, but still wanted to share with you guys. I have all of these up here. This is my closet. This is just one shelf in my closet organizer. And then down here, I have a drawer that has some others, but I display all my favorite ones right here. So let's just jump right in. Back here, I have the L'Eau d'Issy Floral perfume. I got that one in the Cancun airport, I'm pretty sure. Here comes Millie with her jangly collar. Then this is Soap and Glory Original Pink Scent. They don't sell this anymore. Hi, Millie. They don't sell this one either anymore. It's the Stella by Stella McCartney perfume. She made such great perfumes. I don't know why she stopped. Love this so much, but don't fear. If you like this, then you will like this, Dahlia and Vines. I kind of skipped around a little bit, but this is by Nest. They're very similar fragrances, so got like basically a backup of this guy. Back here we have Arizona by Proenza Schuler. This is such a good, sophisticated scent. Has a touch of sweetness in it. And then 2 Jo Malone perfumes. This one is Wood Sage and Sea Salt. And then this one is Peony and Blush Suede. I love this so much. Right up here, up front, is the Jasmine Rose perfume by Good Chemistry. This is a Target company, so you'll find all of their scents at Target and you're able to smell testers, which is really great. This is definitely my favorite one from that line. Then going back here, we have Love Sweet Love by Philosophy. They no longer make this either. This is one of my all-time favorite perfumes forever and ever and ever. Then we have Glossier You. This is such a great perfume, especially if you're just getting into perfumes and body scents. This takes your body's chemistry and creates a very unique scent for your body. It does have obviously base notes, but it really works with your pheromones and all of that good stuff. It's so good. Everybody loves that. It's the best. Then we have Flora by Gucci. This is Gorgeous Gardenia. Definitely a heavier scent. It is a very true gardenia scent. And then, of course, up front in the middle is my absolute all-time favorite perfume, Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. This is just a staple for me. It is just the best perfume I've ever owned, and it's so cute. Okay, this side, and then we'll go on to the drawer. So back here is Clean Skin. So the company is Clean and the scent is called Skin. A really great perfume again for somebody who is just starting out. It really does have like a skin scent, but just heightened. It's really good. And then another Flora by Gucci. This is Gracious Tuberose. This is so good as well. It's a very unique scent, which is why I really love it. And then these two guys up here are Enchanted Wonderstruck by Taylor Swift. And this is Killer Queen by Katy Perry. They're both kind of spicy, sweet fall scents. They are freaking fantastic, and they have earned their spots up here in my collection of favorites. All right, let me show you what's in the drawer. Okay, this is a little chaotic and crazy. My idea is to narrow this down by using some of these up in my project pan, and then I will line this with velvet like jewelry liners so that they have a nice place to sit, and this will look a little bit better, but right now this is what we are working with. So body sprays, regular bottle perfumes, miniatures over here, we have a ton, and then roller balls back here. So let's start with body sprays. This one right here, Pink with a Splash. I am trying to get rid of this. I'm using it up in my project pan slowly but surely. I mean, this is such a huge guy. You can see my markings right there. This is taking me a long time, but it'll be worth it. I don't waste perfume and throw it away unless I really, really hate it, but I like this scent, so I'm going to keep it. Then down here, we have all my Soap and Glory. We have Sugar Crush, which is their lime scent. Then we have Smoothie Star, which is kind of like a sweet, creamy, baked goods scent. It's very vanilla-y. It's kind of like cupcakey. Then we have Girly Go, which is a spray-on moisturizing mist. This has the original pink scent in it. It's really great if you just want a little bit of the scent and you don't want to bring this bad boy. This is more concentrated. And then this is definitely my favorite one, Mist You Madly. It is like, I talk about it all the time. It's such a sophisticated scent, but like for young adults, I don't know, it's fantastic. Back here, we have Snow Fairy by Lush, which is another very like bubblegummy, vanilla, bakery good scent. This is Brazilian Crush by Sol de Janeiro. This smells just like their Bum Bum Cream. This is fantastic in the summer. And then over here, we have Pink Wild and Breezy, another old school favorite of mine. I used to wear this all the time in high school, so I have this big guy of it. I want to kind of make this one last. You'll see I like to keep some perfumes around just for sentimental value. The smells bring back amazing memories. Not so good memories, you know, high school, but just it really takes me back, and I really enjoy that because scent is definitely my favorite of the senses. I really attach memories to perfume, which is why I have so many of these. Some people are like, oh my god, this is ridiculous, you don't need all of this, but to me, like, this stuff is very important to me. Scents just really take me back and really relate me to good times and bad times, and I just need them in my life. Okay, continuing on, we will do the scents that I no longer use but keep around for that purpose. This one right here is Britney Spears Fantasy, Midnight Fantasy. I used to wear this a lot in middle school. This is just a little guy that I got at TJ Maxx just to keep the memory alive. Same with this guy. This is Britney Spears Curious. Oh my god, this just really throws me back. I wore this, it's dusty. I wore this all the time in middle school as well. Hold on, let me smell. I'm gonna spray a little bit. Oh my god, I thought this was like so hot and sexy, and I was all of that. Such a good scent, but not for me anymore. And then this is DKNY Be Delicious. This I wore in high school a lot. This, oh my god. Oh god, memories, especially freshman year. It's just, I only keep it around for the memories now. Down here, you can't really see, but I have a Justin Bieber Girlfriend perfume. I took it out of its like really chunky packaging. I love this scent a lot. Reminds me of my first perfume ever, which was a Cinderella perfume from the Disney store. It smelled just like that. Then I have a miniature of Love Sweet Love. I have a couple backup miniatures as well. And then this is Macaron Rosé from, God, where is this from? Urban Outfitters. It's by 002. This is an interesting scent. It's not the absolute best, but it is a more pure rose scent, which is why I got it. Then we have Giorgio Armani C. I got this for Christmas last year, 2 years ago. It is a very sexy, sophisticated, like you are a woman scent. I wear this on special occasions. It's definitely not an everyday perfume, but it's a very popular one. So I recommend going and smelling that. Then we have another guy that's part of my project pan. As you can see, I've got some lines going on. This is Dot by Marc Jacobs. This is a really great scent, especially for girls in high school or college, along with their Daisy scent. I just have had this for so long and I'm kind of sick of this scent, so I do want to use it up. Then we have Burberry Touch for women. Andrew actually got this for me for Christmas one year. This is a really nice scent as well. So I think I will end up putting this in a project pan maybe for next year, but right now it lives here. Then we have one of the coolest bottles I own. This is like insane mercury glass. So cool. This is by Altered State, which is a clothing store, kind of like Francesca's. It's kind of southerny, like it has those vibes, but their clothes are just fantastic. They're not like really southerny clothes because that's not really my style. I can find so many things that I love there. They burn candles in their store, and this is the scent. It's called Sanctuary. So good. It's kind of like lemon tea, but a little bit more womanly. It's really, really good. Then over here, something I struggle with. This is Flash by Jimmy Choo. Not my absolute favorite. I will end up putting this in a project pan. I don't want to get rid of it for some reason. I don't know. Maybe because I feel bad because I spent a good chunk of change on this, but it's not my absolute favorite. Another one of those is this Chance Chanel Eau de Tendre. This is kind of grandma-y. I wear it on special occasions. It was expensive, so I keep it around. As you can see, I have not used that much. I've had this for a while, but it actually might be going bad because as you can see, the liquid is kind of yellowing. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this guy, but it lives in here. One of my newer perfumes is Tocca Simone. I love Tocca fragrances. They are just so good. They are like Jo Malone in the sense that they create really unique ones. They're not doing like a rose one, a like watery scented one, you know, a cupcakey one, like the very typical scents that you will find. Also with Nest fragrances as well. They really branch out and make these combinations that are just so delicious and unique. This is really good. Then over here we just have all of these guys. Not going to go through that because that'll take forever. This is how I pick out what new scents I want to purchase. I get these all the time. I will use them up. They are all part of my project pan. I love discovering new perfumes, so I love to have these guys around. Then we have two Zoella Beauty, which isn't a thing anymore. This is Blissful Mistful, which is more of a girly, pretty floral scent. And then we have Botanic Eau. Is that how you say that? Eau. This is more of like a beachy tropical, but also it's not like a fruity. It's more like a rain and coconut. I don't know how to describe it. It's really good. It's definitely more unique for a summer scent. Okay, almost done. We've got these back here. This is Victoria's Secret. What is it called? Love is Heavenly. This is so good. I love it so much. Then we have Atelier Cologne Pacific Lime. It's like a true lime perfume, which is why I have it, because I love everything citrus and lime smelling. Then we have Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb, a true staple. This one is Stella McCartney Stella Pop. It's an offshoot of that Stella perfume that I showed you in the beginning of the video. This is a little bit more of a sweet version of that perfume. Then we have Nest Wisteria Blue. This is just so beautiful and fresh, but so sophisticated. This one I don't like that much. It's Walking on Air by Kate Spade. I will probably put this in a project pan. Not my absolute favorite. It is a little too heavy for me, but I will use it up. Then we have Replica, what is this? Beach Walk. This is like the ultimate beach sunscreen, sand, salt water scent. It is so good and so unique. Love it. Then we have three Tocca perfumes here. My favorite Tocca perfume is Giulietta. It is just such a wonderful, gentle scent. Then we have Maya, which is, it's heavier, it's a little spicier. It's just delicious, delicious, delicious. Then we have Cleopatra, which is heavier as well. Definitely a little bit more floral. Up here is Mon Paris by YSL. Not the biggest fan. A lot of people like this, but luckily I just have this little guy that I got for free. Then Elizabeth and James Nirvana Black. This was in my project pan. I am going to take it out because I have just grown a love for this. I have started to use it in my project pan. It will go. I want to keep this guy around. I'm really, really, really enjoying it. Before I didn't so much, but you know, our taste changes. And then to wrap it all up, one more Jo Malone. This is a baby of the wood sage and sea salt perfume. That rounds out my entire collection. Let me close this drawer, put you back up top, and we will close this video out. Okay, that is the end of this video. Also, a little disclaimer, I should have said this in the beginning. I realize a lot of these perfumes are not cruelty-free. Perfume is a really big struggle for me in that department because I am so attached to scents. It is somewhat hypocritical of me, but I am trying to work my way through that slowly but surely. Most parts of my life already are cruelty-free, talking about bath, skincare products, makeup, my household cleaners and laundry detergents and stuff like that are cruelty-free. It's just this section right here where I'm having a lot of difficulty, so please be kind to me. But yeah, this is my perfume collection for 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below what your favorite perfume is. I'm always willing to try new ones, obviously, because I have all those little tester samples. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.